Welcome back to Project Chief. It's day 59 and
Mudding, taping, mudding and taping. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Watch it.
Also, we'll follow up with George, who's still working outside. But until then, here's the time lapse. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I'm a freaking crop guy right now.
What has Mr. George been up to today?
Well, George has been fixing that slight stair problem we had, and so he built a very impressive landing.
So, our bottom step was 1.5 inches taller than the rest, which our inspector didn't like. So, we had to have a 3 foot by 3 foot platform, 1.5 inches tall.
Yep. To make them all within the standard 3/8 rise over the stairs.
And so instead of doing just a lame looking platform there, George, fancied it up to a cool looking pattern. That's impressive.
This whole deck is impressive.
Aw.
It's awesome.
Well, thank you, George. It just adds to it. Sticks with our motto: do things better than expected.
And that ham bone design looks pretty good.
Oh, man.
Thank you for making it through that video of us doing all the mudding. We really do appreciate you. And we also appreciate this platform right here. So go ahead and leave a comment, asking questions, maybe just celebrating the fact that things are going along pretty well.
Ring the bell, and if you haven't already, you've got to subscribe, because this is educational as well as informative and entertaining.
It's certainly entertaining. Because of Andy. So also, thank you, Andy, for bringing entertainment and helping us get past that 1,000 subscribers and well on to our 1 million subscriber. It's going to be here before we know it, and we're going to be building a house for one of you. So, this weekend, take some time out to change the oil in your car, because it's probably past due, and that light is important, and you should pay attention to it.